Hey guys, welcome back. I got a big update for today. The weather was finally nice enough out, so I was able to cut the section for in between the two tables there. I'm going to be cleaning up the tables and getting that installed today, and hopefully it'll be a pretty big transformation. So stay tuned. I'll do a little time lapse here, and then we'll catch up after. So unfortunately, I did not record any video after cleaning up the Lego room and installing that table section and getting it painted. I got too excited and immediately started building stuff, and we'll be posting that in a future update. So stay tuned for that. I will have that video up shortly after this one is released, so you guys won't have to wait too long for the next update. And stick around, like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you next time.